that guy. Oh, this is recording it. These are my Polacks working on a stoneworkscanada.com. The best cutters of granite, anything you want, and best holders of Żywiec. Yeah, good beer. We always work with it, and then we cut the thing straight. Straight. Now this is in a process of sealing. This is in a process of installation. Beautiful. Couldn't be straighter than this. Fantastic. Now, the person will have a hell of a barbecue. A beautiful bar with girls dancing on top. Okay. He will also have a phenomenal light post, beautiful circle with flames, gas flames, excellent furniture, and the rest is funny. It's a swimming pool, beautiful swimming pool. Alright, that's how we did the stones here and sealed them. Of course we used the best product like King, Seal King. Looks like that after it's finished. Originally it looks like a purple stuff. You can see. Alright. And this is the finished product. Looks fabulous. Fantastico. That's the finished product. Okay, stoneworkscanada.com.